In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to take apart an Xbox Series S, and we're starting right now. What's up everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to take apart an Xbox Series S. If you want to know how to take apart the controller, then I'll leave a card to my previous video in the top right corner where I show you how to take apart the Xbox Series S controller. This video is all about the console itself, so without further ado, let's take this bad boy apart. First, you want to flip your Xbox Series S over to the back where all the plugs are located. Now you can take off these two little stickers located on the bottom left and bottom right corners of the console. Upon taking these stickers off, they will reveal two screws. Now using a Torx T9 screwdriver, you can take both of these screws out. After you take them out, you can slide the bottom cover up a little bit and pull it right off the console. After you take the cover off, lay the console down on its top side. Now you can take out these 7 green screws so we can get that top cover off. After you take those screws out, very carefully pull off the top cover. Now it's going to be clipped in on the sides and all around the top cover, so be careful not to break anything. Just slowly unclip the clips and pull the cover off from around the console. Once you have taken all the covers off the Xbox Series S, you're almost ready to open it up and see the internals. There are 3 little motherboards on the outside that we have to take off first. Be very careful not to break these and make sure you don't lose any of the screws. After that, you can lay the console back down so the white part is facing you and the fan vent is facing up. Now you can take this cover off, and now we have access to the internals. If you want to take the fan and the power supply out, you would need to flip the console back over and take out all these silver screws on the other side. Doing that will give you access to the disk drive and the motherboard, and I'm not going to do that in this video because these screws are screwed in very tightly, and if I don't need to take them out, then I'm not going to take them out. But that's it. You've successfully taken apart your Xbox Series S. If you enjoyed the video, then be sure to smash that like button as it really helps me out. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. If you want to see more awesome tech content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out and have a blessed day.